welcome to my channel again. And for today's video, I'm going to do another haul for you guys. So yes, as you can see that I have short hair now, so I cut my own hair. If you wanna know or if you wanna see how I, cut my hair this short, so I will put that haircut video below under the description box so that you can see guys how this hair turns out. So yeah, so moving into the haul, and before I'm going to open all the makeup that I have here in front of me, this one, I will just share with you guys how I got this makeup and why this makeup are from America. So a few months ago, my friend, their family went to America, I think San Diego. I'm not sure. I'll just put the area where they went in America, but I'm pretty sure San Diego. Yeah, my friend went there and their family to have holiday, and I asked her to grab me some makeup or buy me some makeup there in America. I want the American local brand. This is not much, so probably there are just few items in here. I'm pretty sure there's only one high-end in this package. So yeah, and that friend of mine lives far away where I'm at, so she mailed this to me. So let's open this package now before this video is taking so long. Start digging in to this package. Oh, they're coming up. Oh, wait, be careful. And here's the product. So mostly foundations pala. Okay, so I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Oh, I thought I'm missing one. The Revolution powder. Okay. Alright, first item that I'm going to show with you guys. This is not much, only 7 items. She said that some of the shades that I like is out of stock and some of the palettes. So yes, so this is all she got for me. First, I got this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Definition Concealer in the shade, what shade she got me? Oh, natural! Yay, natural! So natural is like my shade, so I think this is perfect. I heard lots of good things about this LA Girl Pro Conceals. I remember Shan XO. This concealer before is her favorite, but now I haven't seen her using this concealer anymore in her channel. So if you don't know Shan XO, Shannon or Shan XO from New Zealand, so before, this is her favorite drugstore concealer. So yeah, and also my friend got me this LA Girl Pro Conceal, still same HD high definition concealer, but this one is the color correcting concealer. So yeah, and next is foundations. She got me 3 foundations. So first, I'm going to show you these 2 foundations here. So this is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus concealer. She got me number 04 medium beige, and also she got me the 02 natural. I've asked her to get me a dark and lighter shade in case the dark shade is not my shade and this lighter shade is not my shade as well. So if these two are not my shade, I'm going to mix them together so that I can wear them, something like that. By the way guys, I saw Simply Ray's raving about this Milani, and I saw her that she's wearing this, and I told myself that I need to try this concealer because Ray's and me, I believe we have the same type of skin, like morena, Asian kind of skin. So I'm excited to try this too out. Milani. And then next foundation that she got me is this LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. She only got me one. I think I've asked her to like get me 2 shades, like the same in Milani, in case this shade is not the right shade for me. But I believe she told me that it's out of stock. So yeah. And next foundation that she got me, guys, this is the foundation that I've told you that only one high-end brand in the package. So yeah. So the next foundation that she got me from America is this Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm on the shade Too Faced Born This Way Luminous Oil Free and Detachable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation, which is the shade No Shade. How did she know that this is my shade? Oh, there! She got me the she got me the natural shade. So guys, I've been wanting this foundation long time ago, and finally I got one. Honestly guys, I'm always behind of makeup products because makeup products are, you know, quite expensive, especially when all the brands are launching their new cosmetics. So you cannot really catch up buying all those, you know, new release makeup. So yeah, for now this is what I got. Let's open guys, because you know, I'm super excited to see this foundation in person, because I just saw this foundation on the video, like YouTube video. So yeah. Whoa, here she is. She's coming up. Ang pretty ng kanyang lagayan. So this one is glass container compared kay Milani. Oh, si Milani is also glass, and si LA Girl is plastic, but si Milani is like smooth yung kanyang pagka-glass. Si Born This Way is not clear, parang hindi smooth. It's probably because they do this kind of container para hindi siya madulas in case mabagsak mo siya. Yeah, something like that. So in Australia, I believe this is like around $60. So yeah, I'm not sure, but I will do a research how much is one in America and then in Australia. So the last item that I asked her to get me is this Revolution Makeup Revolution London Flawless Matte Ultra Eyeshadow 32 Professional Eyeshadows. So that's what it looks like at the back. So that's the shade, and on the front Alright, let's open this. Sobrang sealed talaga. So that's the palette. So let's check what's the actual eyeshadow. Oh, look at that. Wow. I love the packaging though. It's black and rose gold. Yeah, it's rose gold. So yan. Nice. The packaging is so pretty. Oh wow. Look at the mirror. It's so big. Yun. Ang laki. This eyeshadow is all matte. Flawless matte. Ultra eyeshadow. 32 ultra professional eyeshadows. And they're all mattes. Really, they're all mattes, guys. You can see that. Wow. In the eyeshadow palette, I want a mix of matte and a bit shimmery eyeshadow so that you can apply your makeup without changing a palette, something like that. But anyway, guys, my battery is dying. But anyway, I have a spare battery that I just purchased this week, so that when I film, I can like just continue on and move on, not like before when my battery died. I need to stop and charge my battery and wait until the battery fully charged. So yeah, alright guys, I'm going to change my battery and I will be right back. So now I'm back, and then where I'm at. But I don't have any problem with the color or the shades. It's just all mattes. So it's hard to work with all mattes eyeshadows because you need to like change another palette if you want shimmery kind of eyeshadow. So yeah. So that's the eyeshadow, guys, and I'm pretty sure I can use these shades right here. Yeah. So yan siya. I'm playing my swatches here. The texture and the pigmentation of the eyeshadow is, yeah, it's okay, it's alright. I cannot say bad on the eyeshadow yet because, you know, I haven't tried them on my eyelids or on my eyes. So yes. So alright guys, that's it for my American makeup haul. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys!